Welcome to Love Garden Care, where every flower holds a gentle, calming energy. Today, we'll explore how to keep your Anthurium thriving and glowing right inside your home. With an airy growing mix, just the right amount of water, and soft light, your Anthurium will flourish effortlessly. It will reward you with glossy green leaves and stunning red blooms. If you love peace and color, Anthuriums are the perfect gift for your home. Let's begin this care journey together. After my red Anthurium had produced its beautiful blooms, I eventually noticed that the plant began showing signs of needing extra care. Looking closely, I saw that some flowers had wilted and lost their vibrant red color, and a few leaves had dried and turned brown at the tips. These are clear signs that the plant is tired and needs time to rest and restore its energy. I gently used clean scissors to remove the faded flowers and dried leaves, helping the plant breathe more easily and encouraging new shoots and fresh buds to grow again soon after pruning. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to the Love Garden Care channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. It's wonderful that we can connect and share with each other from all around the world. The first ingredient I'm using today is purple shallot. I pick a few fresh shallots, wipe off any dust, and slice them into thin, even pieces. As you slice, the natural oils and nutrients inside the shallot are released. These help prevent rot, fight bacteria, and encourage faster root growth for the cuttings. After slicing, I place all the shallot pieces into a clean glass jar. Using a glass container helps preserve the natural oils and allows the mixture to work more effectively as a root-boosting solution. The second ingredient I'm using is 3 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee is rich in minerals like nitrogen and potassium, which boost the cutting's strength and help new roots grow quickly. I add all 3 tablespoons directly into the jar with the shallots to prepare a natural, but highly effective rooting solution for flamingo roses. Next, I pour 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar. The rising steam carries a gentle aroma of purple shallots, as if awakening all the natural oils and nutrients inside. The hot water helps release these beneficial compounds more quickly to support root formation. Then, I stir the mixture thoroughly so the essence of the shallots and the coffee dissolves into the water. Once everything is well blended, I let the mixture sit for 30 minutes. This is the golden moment when the antibacterial properties of the shallots and the minerals from the coffee are fully released, creating a powerful, nourishing, and root-boosting solution for red Anthuriums. After steeping the purple shallots and coffee together for 30 minutes, I stir the mixture again to help the natural shallot oils and the nutrients from the coffee dissolve completely into the water. Once everything is well released, I strain out all the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. A concentrated solution containing the full essence of both shallots and coffee. Thorough filtering removes all residue, preventing clogged roots or mold in the growing medium, and ensures the solution stays clean, safe, and easy to use. After that, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution. Diluting makes the mixture gentler and prevents plant shock when watering the roots or spraying the leaves. Especially ideal for ornamental plants like Anthuriums. With this ratio, we get a fully natural nutrient solution that is easy for the plant to absorb and highly beneficial for root development. The antibacterial oils from shallots combined with the minerals in coffee create a powerful boost that helps the plant recover and grow vigorously. Step 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the diluted shallot coffee solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is not just a simple cleaning step but also a skincare-like treatment for the leaves, helping remove dust, bacteria, and tiny insects so the foliage can breathe better and improve its photosynthesis. Shallots and coffee contain antioxidants, amino acids, and small amounts of caffeine, potassium, and nitrogen that can penetrate the leaf surface, making the leaves shinier, deeper green, and naturally stronger. The natural oils and compounds in this mixture also help repel mild pests such as aphids or light mold on the leaf surface. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in several other languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch the audio language in the video settings. Regularly wiping the leaves with the shallot coffee solution not only keeps the plant clean and healthy but also makes the foliage brighter and enhances the beauty of your Anthurium in your living space. Step 2. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the shallot coffee solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire Anthurium, including the leaves, stems, and exposed roots. This even misting allows the plant to absorb nutrients more completely, not just through the roots, but also directly through the leaf surface. The shallot coffee solution provides multiple benefits. Coffee contains potassium, nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants, while shallots offer natural antibacterial oils and compounds. This combination helps inhibit bacteria and surface mold, reducing the risk of leaf spots, rot, or mealybug infestations. When the solution is misted evenly over the plant, nutrients reach even the growing tips and new shoots, encouraging fresh leaf development. With this method, the Anthurium is nourished from the inside while also being beautified from the outside, keeping it vibrant, healthy, and visually striking in your living space. Step 3. I pour the shallot coffee mixture directly over the entire growing medium of the red Anthurium. This even watering provides the roots with essential nutrients such as potassium, nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants from the coffee, combined with the natural antibacterial oils from the shallots. These nutrients help the roots grow stronger and absorb water and minerals more efficiently. With regular application, the solution also loosens the soil, increases organic matter, and balances beneficial microorganisms, allowing the plant to grow more sustainably and reducing the risk of root diseases. When the roots are healthy, the plant grows vigorously, produces new shoots, forms deep green leaves, and blooms more regularly. After watering, I place the plant in an area with diffused light, soft, indirect light, ideally bright shade, allowing the plant to absorb the nutrients gently and effectively. After soaking the plant in the shallot coffee mixture for about 10 minutes, I gently remove it and place it in diffused light, soft, indirect natural light, ideally bright shade. Step 4. I wipe off any excess water on the leaves to protect them and effectively prevent diseases. Using a soft, clean absorbent cloth, I gently remove the remaining moisture on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves dry and preventing water from accumulating in leaf crevices. A common cause of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid environments. Drying the leaves also allows them to photosynthesize more easily, improves natural respiration, and prevents unattractive white streaks caused by evaporated water. After wiping, I place the plant in diffused light, with gentle airflow so the leaves can dry completely, keeping the plant fresh and healthy. With simple ingredients like shallots and coffee, we can create an entirely natural plant care method at home without chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques. With just a little time and a little love, the plant will respond with lush green leaves, healthy blooms, and long-lasting vitality. Anthurium is not only a beautiful plant, but also a symbol of strength and good fortune. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can bring you more natural and eco-friendly plant care methods. See you in the next video.